So I'm making some Sunday dinner, and this is my chicken. So I seasoned it, breaded it, and those are the seasoned chicken, not yet breaded. I fried some fried fish. I have some oxtail in here cooking, and over here I have my fried chicken. Look at these fried chicken. This is all you fried chicken, okay? KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken style. I have a fried chicken recipe on my channel. You can check that one out. Look how beautiful that is. See that? Nice and beautiful. And over here some oxtail just bubble up. Not yet seasoned or anything. And I'm gonna have some peas already cooked.